Hello, students of Standard 10. Welcome to this YouTube channel of Mount Brescia. I am here with your English first flight, the chapter which I have already taught you from the diary of Annie Frank. Now the question arises, sir, again, the chapter has finished. Then also, same chapter again, what to be taught? Today I am going to just revise the main points of the story. Again, you must think, why it is necessary, sir? It is because the chapter which I have taught you in a serial wise, not at a time. It might happen that many students have forgotten what I have taught you in my first video of this chapter. And when you will recapitulate it, you will forget the last one. So to recapitulate all the videos for which this chapter has been made, I am just recapitulating the points which I have gone through. Okay, my dear students? Now see, it is about Annie Frank. I think you remember Annie Frank. He was a Jewish girl. After Second World War, he has went to Holland. One by one, her family has already reached there. She has went there at last. According to Annie Frank, writing in a diary is a strange experience for her. She writes only to lighten the burden on her heart, the burden which she bears being a Jewish girl. She feels that she had many people to whom she can call as friend, but she do not have her best friend. So she has chosen paper or a diary to write all the feelings from her chest, because she feels that paper has more patience than people. Paper do not get bored while writing on it. She wants to keep a diary as she does not have a friend, a real friend. She has many friends with whom she can share everyday's life activities, but her feelings inside her heart for being a Jewish girl, she cannot confine. It might be her own problem. But then also, that is the reason why she select to write a diary. She got her education in Amsterdam. She started writing her diary on 20th June 1942. She feels that a quarter of students are worthless and deserve to be kept back, where in the class the children are all shouting that who is going to pass for the next exam, means who will go to the next class, because at that time there were no particular examination for passing. It is the teachers who decide who will go to the next class and who will not. According to her, teachers are most unpredictable creature in the world. She feels that she has a good relations with each and every teacher. Every teacher likes her, except one, the math teacher, Mr. Keesing, who is always annoyed with her because she talks too much in the class. So he always gives her an extra homework to write. Write what? Mathematics? No. Away from mathematics, always gives her an essay to write, and the topic is a chatterbox. She has given a very nice excuse for her talking in the class because she has inherited that from her mother. Since she has inherited from her mother, she cannot be quiet at class, but she will try her best to maintain that. Mr. Keesing has a good laugh at the excuse she has given. But since she starts talking again, so he has given another assignment to write. essay to write an incorrigible chatterbox. Mr. Keesing was trying to play a joke on her by giving such essays to write. And for 2 or 3 days, she remained quiet. Again, she starts talking. Then Mr. Keesing gives her another essay to write on the same topic, but little increase. Quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. She thought of writing it in a verse. She took the help of one of her friend who is a good in poem writing, and she agreed to help her to write in verse. She wanted to write something which will make Mr. Keesing feel that he is wrong in his way to give a girl for writing such type of essay. And when she finished the essay in verse with the help of her friend Sani, Mr. Keesing reads the poem and the message she has given to him. Mr. Keesing took it in the right way. He was very interested in reading that poem. Not only he was happy by reading it, he was so impressed that he read it in the class, and not only in the class, he read in other classes also. And it had a great effect on Mr. Keesing. From that day onwards, he not only stopped giving her writing essay, he allowed her to talk in the class. And also nowadays, Mr. Keesing started joking in the class. A change occurred in Mr. Keesing, and he has started making joke in the class. So my dear student, this is the summary of the story from the diary of Annie Frank. My dear students, you go through the videos very nicely. This is a suggestion I am giving you, because once the lockdown finishes, regular classes starts, these all things which we are taking in these videos, you don't think these are again elaborately to be explained in the class. No, my dear students, we will not have such time. So don't ignore these videos. Take it very seriously and go through the videos very nicely. And you write down the problems you face in this understanding any time, any point, any topic. Those things only will be explained. Otherwise, thoroughly chapter again not to be done in the class. So be aware of that. Don't ignore these videos, my dear students. Thank you.